Hi, I'm Crystal, and today I have a structured holiday journal using a single die set and one pad of pattern paper. The die set is from Temu and it is linked below. It was about $4. The pattern paper is from Pinkfresh Studio, which I bought on clearance. The entire journal is cut from this single die set. The cover is decorated with the one page of cut-aparts layered on lightweight cardboard and scrapbook paper. Then the pages of the journal are cut using solid cardstock and the decorative pattern paper. I used the pattern paper to cut those pages. It did take 12 by 12 paper for the pattern section. And when I had a little bit of leftover paper that wouldn't make a full page, I cut partial pages. I've left these loose so that the journaler can either use it as a flap or glue down the sides to make a pocket. So there's that option until the journal is filled out, just depending on whether you need more space for attachments or you need someplace to stick enclosures. You've got that option. So I go through the journal. I also had some leftover solid color cardstock, and I used the leftover solid color cardstock to cut a belly band. Now that was also partial die cutting, and all I did was cut this 2-inch wide strip and then put that strip inside the page die to make the belly band. It's just a little bit more complicated than making a belly band for a rectangular page because the belly band has to mimic the shape of the page. But it was easy to die cut, and now I've got a spot to stick something under the belly band. So I thought this 12 pieces of double-sided pattern paper was a good number of pages to make this journal, and I like having all these pages exactly the same shape, and it was fun to use that little bit of extra leftover paper to make some flaps and potentially pockets. I think this will make a lovely December daily. I did include a little bit of absolutely plain paper for writing space, and this page, there's 2 flaps, so it can either be 2 flaps or a flap and a pocket. Several different options for the journaler. Can leave this blank page for additional writing space, of course. And then we come to the back cover, which is also decorated using the one page of cut-aparts. Now I did go ahead and cut some additional die cuts. I cut a few seasonal words, and I've got one more belly band and a couple of labels from just the paper that I had left. And I also prepared some numbers. So some December daily journalers like to use page numbers, so I'm prepared for that. I use my circle punch on the pattern paper, so that pattern paper can be the backdrop, and then plain cardstock to cut a smaller circle and the numbers so that these numbers can be attached. That gives the user the option to move the pages around before attaching the numbers, so the numbers can be in order. Very fun project, very easy, and I thank you for joining me today.